Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Minecraft modding tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to focus on items, and this is just going to be a standard item that is basically run off the item.java file, which is right here. You don't really need this open, but I just have it here just to show you. So basically we're going to make like a new coal, except it's not going to be coal. And this is basically all that we need right here. Now to do this, sorry about my throat, one sec. Okay, now to do this, in your inside the base mod folder, but not inside the public vote. Don't put it in the public vote. Underneath your blocks, make another comment thing called items. Make a couple spaces, and then for items you want to do public static final item, and then this you're also going to need a 16 by 16 texture, and this is what I have, blue glowstone dust. Okay, and then you have to implement it into your I closed it by accident, into your tutorial folder or whatever folder you named it, and then bring it into the MCP. Now what you need to do here is name it. So blue glowstone dust. So I'm going to name it, and then equals, and then in here it's basically like up above, new, and then it's not block glowstone because it's not a block. We're just going to do item. This is just a simple item, and it basically uses the file item. This is what this is for right here. It uses that, this is the folder. This one uses the folder block glowstone. So since this is a new item, we only need like one unit or whatever you want to call it in here, and that is the item ID. So for items I like to start at like 700 or something. It doesn't really matter, just as long as it's like 500 up. That's basically what I like. And then after this, basically all you need to do is dot set item name. Set item name inside here, bracket quotation, sorry. I'm gonna name it blue glowstone dust. And then after that, wanna have it into the creative tab. So then it's dot set tab to display on, and then creative tabs dot tab materials, and that's going to put it into the materials tab. And then after that all you need to do is a semicolon, and that should make the line have no errors. Now for this, as you see, you didn't put a reference to a to a texture like we did up here in this, and that is because in order to put a texture onto an item, you actually have to put the texture declaration inside the public void load. So in here, make another comment called item textures, and then here you do blue glowstone dust, and then dot icon index. You need to have dot icon index, and then equals mod loader, basically what we did up here, mod loader dot add override, and then brackets, quotation marks. For this one is where it overrides, so this is the folder that's overriding, and for items it's /GUI because it's in the GUI folder, and then it's in the folder inside there called items, and then .png, that's where it's overriding, and then comma, quotation marks, and inside here you have to put it where you put the folder. So mine's in a folder called tutorial, and it's a folder called b glowstone dust .png, and then after this, so the bracket, semicolon, and that should be done. Now the last thing that you need to do is you need to add name. You don't need to register it because it's not a block, so that doesn't really matter. So last thing is adding a name. So what you have to do is mod loader I spelled that wrong. Loader dot add name. Inside brackets you have to say what you set it up here, so I'll just copy this. Blue glowstone dust. Paste it, and then comma, and then what you want it to be named inside the game. So blue glowstone dust. So I put spaces because that's what I want it in the game as. To end it, you just do a semicolon, and that's basically all you have to do. That's it. You have now completed that item. So now if I save this and I run it, may take a while to open up because I have Premiere running right now. Sorry about that. So if I run this and I go single player, go into the new mode. If I open this up and I go to tab materials, there it is, blue glowstone dust. That's a simple item that you made inside the game, and eventually I'm going to show you how to make food and like add effects to items, and that will be like a more complex video, but this is just a simple item that you can use to like for crafting recipes and just basic necessities. So thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, please leave a like on the video and subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for another one of my videos. Thanks so much for watching. Peace.